UK students' future in trouble. Ever since the referendum in 2016 in which the people chose that the UK is to leave the European Union, EU, a great question mark has hung over the prospect of individuals from the European Economic Area picking to reside in the UK. A particular crowd left doubtful as to their potential status is EU students, who, throughout this period of confusion, are worried about their prospects combined with their studies. European students who have at present begun their studies or have applied to do so face no adjustments during their decisive years of study. Additionally, European students submitting an application for an admission at a UK university in 2018 to 2019 will be charged the identical tuition fees as UK students, obtaining what is called as home fee status. But, as an official conciliation for the UK to leave the European Union persist, students face a vague hope for their future in the UK. The government has affirmed that there will be no urgent modification to the current rule, where EU nationals presently still adore free movement rights and are allowed to live, work and study in the UK. Numerous UK universities have verified that those applying to study before 2020 will still obtain similar treatment. Regardless of this explanation, there has been no reference yet as to what EU students must assume once conciliations have ended. As compared to the rest of the UK, which has been hesitant to give any facts on the prospect, Scotland has prolonged the home fee status to European students in the year 2019 to 2020, wrapping the phase instantly resulting the UK's exit from the EU. Even though the future fiscal consequences for EU students and their relatives who desire to get education and live in the UK are presently unknown, what is evident is that the UK depends on European learning links for research. Sir Steve Smith, chairman of Universities UK's international policy, had recorded that the UK's closest competitors, such as the USA, Australia, France and Germany, all endure to expand at a quicker rate than the UK. Possibly representatives in the Brexit talks must think through this when debating about the UK as a world leader in international education and re-examine any modifications being arranged to the status of EU students. Authorized representatives, such as experienced immigration specialists and visa law organizations, are certified to counsel you on immigration law and your immigration status. It is likely to instruct an immigration and visa legal representative to submit a UK immigration application. Caseworkers at the Home Office are guided to reject applications which are inappropriately organized, for example by failing to deliver the correct backup evidence. In order to guarantee your application succeeds, all obligatory documents must be provided. This can be an important administrative errand and you will need to submit the accurate documentary proof. The UK immigration rules are multifaceted and the legal representative can help make sure that your visa applications go through the immigration rules.